When your Verizon FiOS TV box gets stuck on the Please Wait screen, it means the device is having trouble completing its initialization process. This screen appears during three main situations: when the box is starting up, when software updates are being installed, or when the device is trying to establish a connection with Verizon servers. The first and most effective troubleshooting step is the power cycle method. This simple technique resolves temporary freezes about 60% of the time. Here's how to perform a proper power cycle. First, unplug the cable box from the power outlet and wait exactly 30 seconds. Next, reconnect the power cable and wait 5 to 10 minutes for the box to fully restart. Be patient during this process as the box needs time to complete all initialization steps. If the power cycle doesn't work, the next step is to check all cable connections. Loose or damaged connections are a common cause of boot problems. Check that the coaxial cable is tightly screwed into both the wall outlet and the cable box. Look for any signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections. Also check your HDMI connection between the cable box and your TV. Make sure it's firmly inserted and the cable isn't bent or damaged. Weak signal strength is another common cause of boot problems. You can check your signal strength through the cable box's diagnostic menu. Your signal strength should be above -7 dBmV for optimal performance. If it's weaker than this, you may have a signal problem that needs addressing. One of the most common causes of weak signal and boot problems is a faulty or old coaxial splitter. These small devices divide the cable signal to multiple outlets, but they can degrade over time. If you suspect a splitter problem, try removing unnecessary splitters or replacing old ones. A $15 splitter replacement often solves what appears to be a more expensive cable box failure. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve the Please Wait screen freeze, several advanced solutions can help restore your Verizon cable box functionality. The first advanced method is performing a factory reset. You can do this by holding the power button on your cable box for 10 or more seconds until the device completely shuts down and restarts. Alternatively, you can navigate to the System Settings menu and select the Reset option. This method provides more control, but requires the box to be partially responsive. Important warning: Factory Reset will erase all your recorded programs, custom settings, and preferences. Make sure to note down any important settings before proceeding. Another common cause of persistent boot issues involves coaxial cable connections and splitters. These components can significantly impact signal quality and box performance. Remove any unnecessary coaxial splitters from your setup. Each splitter reduces signal strength, and old or corroded splitters can cause significant signal degradation. Verizon is actively transitioning away from traditional cable boxes toward more modern streaming solutions and cloud-based services. This shift represents the future of television service delivery. The company is implementing streaming integration in cloud DVR technology, which reduces dependence on physical hardware and provides more reliable service delivery. Artificial intelligence now powers remote diagnostics and predictive maintenance systems. These advanced tools can identify and resolve many issues automatically without requiring a technician visit. To prevent future issues and maintain optimal performance, follow these essential maintenance practices for your cable box. Keep your cable box well ventilated and dust-free. Proper airflow prevents overheating, while regular cleaning maintains optimal performance and extends hardware lifespan. Enable automatic software updates to ensure your cable box receives the latest firmware improvements and security patches. This simple setting can prevent many common issues before they occur. These advanced solutions and preventive measures, combined with Verizon's evolving technology infrastructure, provide comprehensive approaches to resolving cable box issues and ensuring reliable television service.